If you're anything like me, you have a bit of a love-hate relationship when it comes to editing your photos. I mean, you're super excited to check out all the photos you just took from your trip, but on the other hand, you know how tedious and time-consuming it's going to be to edit them all. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you my little secret on how to edit your photos a lot quicker, which will save you tons of time. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, it's Liz and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my channel is all about sharing my tips and tricks with you to help you become a better photographer. So if you're interested, I highly encourage that you subscribe to my channel and follow along with all my weekly videos because it's with your support that enables me to continue to make these videos for you. You've probably noticed that over time you've actually developed your own unique editing style or a particular way in which you want your photos to look. And you've probably also noticed that you're applying the same, if not similar settings when editing all your photos. And this can actually be the time-consuming part. So today's tip that I want to share with you is how to apply these same settings to all your photos, so that way all you have to do is just tweak them a little bit to suit that photo. And it's actually a super simple trick which takes less than 5 minutes to do. So what you want to do is you want to open up Adobe Bridge. Now I've selected these 4 photos here for today's example, and they're all in different lighting conditions to show you how you can apply the same settings but then go ahead and tweak them just to suit the individual photos. So we'll start with this photo first. Just right click it and open it up in Camera Raw. And as you can see here, the photo hasn't been edited yet, but what you want to do is you want to go and apply the settings that you find yourself always applying to other photos. So for me, I always find myself putting the vibrance on 20. The saturation, I like to have that on 10. The clarity is also good on 20. Dehaze is good on 15. And what else? Oh, and the contrast, I like to have that on 20 as well. So like I said, these are the settings that I like to have pretty much on all my photos. I like to call this the base. So now that I've gone and done that, what you want to do is you want to click these 3 little buttons over here, click it, and then you go Save Settings. So we'll click on that. The next screen that comes up is pretty much all the settings that are available. Now you can go through and tick and untick each individual box, but for me it's just easier to leave it all ticked. So then I just go Save. And then you can save it as whatever you like. So I'm just going to call this one Base 1. And then you just save. So now let's click done on that photo and let's go over to this photo. So as you can see, this one is now in different light settings, different colors. So then what you want to do is go over to the 3 dots again, and you actually want to click load settings this time. And as you can see here, you've got base 1, which is the preset we just made, and then you tap load. And as you can see, it's applied the color settings and whatnot. So now what I can do here is I just go up the exposure that I want, up the shadows, maybe change the color temperature a bit. And yeah, it's very rough, but that photo is pretty much done now. So let's click done on that one, and I'll show you one more example. So we go opening Camera Raw. So this photo again, it's a completely different shot. It's of an aeroplane, different lighting conditions. So go over to the 3 dots again, you go load your settings, and click base 1, and see how it's applied the settings to this photo. So now what I want to do is I'll just up the exposure. What else can be added to it? In all honesty, that's probably it. So, and just like that, editing these photos has become a lot easier because I've already added the base, or what I like to call the base. So then you can just go through and tweak these little things to make it suit each individual photo. So there you have it, a quick and easy tip which took you not even 5 minutes to set up, and now it's going to save you tons of time in the future. I'm pretty sure this is something that wedding photographers would use because they can apply the same settings to all their photos and then just go through and tweak the ones that need it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was super fun teaching you guys. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below and I'll be sure to reply. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye! Photos a lot quicker, which will save you tons. Seriously. You're gonna come up, aren't you?